In this video, I'll be showing you how to use ChatGPT Atlas web browser. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, you can do this on Chrome or Safari. So I'm on Google Chrome right now. All I want to do is go to Google, type in ChatGPT Atlas. Now, for some reason, it's only available on Mac right now, but hopefully you're going to be able to get it in other places as well. It's going to say the browser with ChatGPT built in, download for Mac OS. So I'm going to do that right now. It's going to look like this, and then just press download for Mac OS again. It's going to be downloading the installer, and then all you got to do is go ahead and run the installer, and then move ChatGPT Atlas to your applications like so. So I've done that. It makes a little noise once it's done as well. And then all you got to do from this point is you can just minimize Chrome if you want to. Then just go over to your applications, and ChatGPT Atlas is going to be one of them. So go ahead and open it up. It says it's an app downloaded from the internet. Then you can just press open. It says welcome to ChatGPT Atlas. Then you got to log in with your ChatGPT account. So now with this, you can basically ask ChatGPT on any website that you're on. If you need any assistance with it, anything like that, you could do that. You can even set it as default if you want to. I'm going to go ahead and skip for now. And now Atlas is now open for me. So I could literally ask ChatGPT anything, type in a URL. So I could just go to like google.com. So it looks kind of like Chrome, but except I'm using ChatGPT Atlas now. Of course, there's a lot of different things that you could go ahead and do with this. And yeah, then you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.